Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you're on an administrator account and that any files are saved. Once done, open Settings, go to Update and Security and select Recovery. Click Restart Now under Advanced Startup. You will see a blue menu, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. From there, pick Startup Settings and hit Restart. This sequence places Windows into the mode that allows you to change driver enforcement options. Make sure the machine is plugged in before proceeding. When the system restarts into startup settings, look for the option labeled Disable Driver Signature Enforcement and press 7 or F7. You'll boot into Windows with signature checks turned off for this session only. That's why you must install your unsigned driver now. Open Device Manager or run the driver installer and proceed with the usual update or manual installation steps. Remember, this state is temporary, so complete all driver installation tasks after installing the driver. Reboot normally so Windows restores device signature enforcement. This keeps security intact. If the driver still fails, you can enable test mode temporarily with an elevated command. bcdedit/set test signing on, reboot and test, then turn it off with bcdedit/set test signing off. If the system becomes unstable or refuses to boot, return to Recovery and use Startup Repair or Safe Mode to uninstall the problematic driver. One key
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.